पूर्व विश्व मंदिर से विश्वयोगी विश्वम जी महाराज ने कोरोना वायरस से उत्पन्न हुए इस चुनौतीपूर्ण काल का सामना करने के लिए संबल देता हुआ जो संदेश भेजा है, आइए बढ़ें उस संदेश की तरफ।
I have been warning for the last 25 years. Every year when I happen to visit United States of America. But we neglected. We neglect now after the eruption of the coronavirus in China, Italy, European countries, America, India, nearly 180 countries, more than 180 countries of the world. It is the most dangerous situation. It is not the war between one country and another country. It is not war between some countries and other countries like world war. It is the war of the declared by the nature upon the human race, whole human race. And this situation is telling us, come on, come on, come on, unite, unite, unite. Don't interfere the nature. If we interfere the nature, if nature declares a war, we can't do anything. I told the same thing when I happened to give my discourse, the panel meeting of the UNO General Assembly, when I was doing the Divine March from Seattle to Washington DC, 11 days. In the middle of my journey, I visited United Nations Organization. At the panel meeting, I told them, the panel members, if there is a war between one country and another country, we can settle today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. But if nature declares a war, we have to suffer a lot. There is no scope for any solving or repairing or anything. We have to suffer a lot. Be careful, we should not interfere with the nature. So we have to do everything naturally. So we should not do anything against nature. We should worship nature, worship it, nature itself, God. In Lakshmi Ashtotra Namam, here when we are worshipping Lakshmi in India, the first name is Prakrutye Namaha. That is the first name of the Lakshmi, the universal mother, universal power is Prakriti. Prakriti means nature, the whole nature, infinite nature. So we have to worship the nature. We have to love the nature. We have to keep the nature pure. We have to protect the human race. We have to make each and every person healthy. Physical strength, mental strength, financial strength, social strength, and spiritual strength. We have to give these 5 strengths to each and every person, each and every family, each and every country. Keep away all the differences of religion, caste, frontier differences, language differences. Come on, let us unite. Unitedly, we have to face this critical condition and this war declared by nature. I once again tells you, you need not worry about this coronavirus. It will be coming down. We will be safe. We will be happy. Everyone will be happy. All the countries will be happy. It is going away by the divine will, by the grace of the yogis, yogic power. Everything will be fruitful and peaceful. So now think, Christians are not going to churches. Hindus are not going to the temples. Buddhists are not going to Bauddha aramas. The Sikhs are not going to Gurudwaras. Muslims are not going to mosques. What is this condition? Think about, you're fighting about religion, you're fighting for your nation, you're fighting about your caste, this and that. All these will be there only when the earth is in peaceful condition and fruitful condition.